Hey everybody, glad you're back. I know I'm glad to be back. Welcome to my little corner of YouTube. If you watched my channel before, you'll recognize this place, and you probably know why we're here. But if you haven't watched any of my videos, and maybe this is your first time here, welcome. And the reason we are here is that. Another day getting it ready for camping season. Got a trip coming up in May. Got to do a little more prep to it. All right, stand by. All right, here's what we got to do today. I'll start right here. So every year I just take everything out, do like an inventory and straighten up a little bit, because you know, during the summer, all the trips, you try to keep it organized. But our last trip last summer, we kind of got in a rush because of the weather, and I just kind of got stuff in there. And it's a bit of a mess. It's a little bit unorganized. I don't know how much you can see in there, but it's got to be organized so it all come out. And I also do like a little inventory thing. So if I need some more, if I need more, I always carry shop towels, and I know I need more shop towels. So I go through stuff, any chemicals, you know, I'm good on WD-40, but anything that's needed, I replace. And also, this will be our 4th summer with this. I also go through and take out stuff that I haven't touched in the prior 3 seasons, hoping that I won't suddenly need it. You know how that goes, right? But anyway, so that's one thing we got to do. We'll do that later. First, though, I'm up in here. I got it plugged in. So let's get some light on the subject here. First things first. Let's see, here's another light. Is this. This is a leveler. So in case you don't know and how this works, this camper doesn't have the automatic levelers like the big, you know, the Class A's and some of the Class C's and fifth wheels and campers like that. It has stabilizers. So it doesn't have the automatic leveling system on it. So what this does is you install this somewhere. I've got a place up here. I'll get that, ignore that. I'll put this on, and there's an app that that's on the phone, and what you do is when you're backing into a spot, it shows you at the level here and here. So it's a good thing to have. If the other way to do it, and this is our second one, the other one just quit working, but the other way to level these things is the old school way. A level. Always carry it as a backup. So that leveler up there, it's battery powered. That we're going to put on is battery powered. You know, a couple of double A's, I think. And, you know, I always check this stuff. Yeah, double A's. I always check this stuff before we go, but, you know, you never know. And it's good to have that backup. So let's get that installed. And ignore the mess. This is how it always looks as we go through everything and make improvements and do inventory and all that stuff. That's how it always looks before our first trip out. But it'll be nice and ready to go. And the motorcycle will be sitting right here. Okay, here we go. All right, got the bed out. Got 2 of the storage bins out of the way. That's the storage for underneath. You see what I'm talking about? How organized it is now? Gotta do all that. But this is gonna go right there. Out of the way, it's hidden. It's not in the way of these little storage totes we have that go here. So let's put it right there. All right. So you can see where the other one was, right here. These screws don't match up with those screw holes, so it's not that big of a deal. Plus, you'll never see it with these storage bins that go here. You'll never see it, and when the bed comes down, it comes down here and hangs out along. Those holes will never be seen, so I'm not worried about that. Whoops, there goes a tiny, tiny screw. All right. Let's see. Right there. All right, that's good. All right, let's put these batteries in. One. Two. Oop, I saw it blink. Perfect. All right, I'm not going to put the cover on that yet. So let's, so what you do, scan the QR code. I'm doing this one because I have the iPhone. I scan that. And I'm going to try to be all fancy here and screen record this and upload it. Or make it part of the video. I'm going to try it this way too. Allow. Unassigned. We're going to... Sweet. Done. Where's the logo? Logo facing rear. Next. What? Let's see what they say here.
The device needs to be calibrated as level so that it reads accurate measurements when at the campsite. First, take your camper to very level ground and use traditional methods such as a bubble level to check both side-to-side and front-to-back levelness. If needed, make corrections using leveling ramps until everything is perfect. Make a final confirmation with the bubble level for both side to side and front to back. And within the application, click the Set Level button to calibrate your device. This can always be updated in the device settings section of the app if needed.
That's good to know. All right, so maybe... I'm pretty level here, but I'm going to check anyway. Let's see what we got. Okay, here we go. Old school. All right, let's go side to side real quick. I'm thinking the left side is a little bit low. I don't know if y'all can see that bubble. Well, maybe you can. But I can't. Yeah, it's the left side. But it's not off by much. It's not even a quarter of an inch. Alright. Alright, let's check it this way. Yeah. I knew the nose was going to be high. That I can adjust right quick. Not even a quarter of an inch. All right, let me go adjust that real quick. Here. Let's go adjust it. So it's right here. It's a power jack. I'm not going to take this off. I'm just going to find the button. Oh, that's the light. Oh, there we go. And I don't have any, my stabilizers aren't down, so this is no big deal. So let's take this thing down a little bit. All right, let's see where we are. Y'all see that? Just a smidge more. Where are we? Nope, just a little bit more. Perfect. All right. Okay, 97. Please let that be it. Well, we done? What does that say? Oh, sweet. Oh, that's it. Yeah, what's this? So you want to shake this thing? Like this, got a battery life indicator on it too. And a temperature. All right, this is kind of bougie. I'm okay with this. I'll name it. Bam. Set as level. Yay. All right, I'm going to go out of this thing. I'm going to close it and come back in it. So here, here. That one. Done. Passenger side low. This pitch should be dead on. Why are you not showing me the pitch? Come on. Roll. Okay, enough of that. Done. Oh, that's roll. Pitch. Well, let's try that one more time. This one. Done. Well, it looks like we have us a lever installed. Sweet. I'm okay with that. Happy, happy, happy. All right. All right. She is installed. Clip this back on. Easy enough. Easiest part of it. Put these back. Boom, strap them in. There we go. It's right there. Can't even see it. Bring the bed down. Huh? Done. One step closer to being ready to hit the road. All right, that's going to wrap this one up. I want to thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate it. And I also appreciate it if you would just take a second and hit that like button and that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate that. It'll help my little channel grow. And I'll probably do one more on this. I've got a few other little things to do that I always do. Test the battery and propane and stuff like that. Tires, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, just keep an eye out for that. And you can hit that notification bell also. That'll let you know when I upload my stupid stuff. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.